Hello everyone and welcome back to my / our YouTube channel. So today we are Today we are putting up our Christmas tree, and we actually got it from Michael's. So we're going to do a little review of the tree, but also we are going to be decorating our tree. So fingers crossed that this tree works out. We actually went to the Michael's store. We picked it out in person. We really liked it in the store, and then I actually had it shipped to my house so we didn't have to haul it in our Jeep. So that's kind of how we came to be with this tree, but I will show you the tree before we take it out of the box, and I'll give you the name of it and I'll also link it below. I'm also going to show you where we're setting up our Christmas tree and some more of our Christmas decorations. So please stay tuned. All right, so this is where we are putting our Christmas tree. This is our normal little plant. I think we should just put it up there on the steps. Yeah. All right, so this is the Christmas tree. The brand is Ashland Christmas. It's a 7.5 foot pre-lit Vermont phlox tree. So this is all of the information about it. It's a nice like white color. We thought it would look really pretty with our aesthetic here. So yeah, this is the tree that we purchased. I got it on sale for $159.99. I believe normally it was like a $300 tree. So that's kind of where we're at. This is it. I had to take my headband off because it was bothering me, but I just wanted to jump in here and let you know kind of where we are in the process. So we are, what are we doing? What is this called when you fix the branches?
I don't know, unfurling?
We're spreading the branches. But now that the tree is out in our home, let me turn this way because the lighting's better. Now that the tree is out and in our home, for $159, don't you think this is like a pretty good tree, David? Mm-hmm. It's excellent. The one thing to know is that this white phlox gets everywhere. Like we're sneezing, it's all over my clothes, it's in my weave. We're gonna have to vacuum. David's got some on his nose.
We've been antiqued.
So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I think we're gonna put the star on next and put, well, I need to vacuum. That's what I'm gonna actually do next, is vacuum, and I'll kind of keep updating you as we go about doing this tree experience. So this is the star that we got. This is from Target, from the Wonder Shop. It's like diamonds and it has some like champagne color behind it. So we're gonna put that on the very tip top. So this is our tree skirt, also from Michaels. It's in store and online, and it was $25 because all of their Christmas decorations are 50% off. So a little present under the tree. So our tree is done for now. I think we're gonna go eventually, maybe this week I'll go get some more bulbs. David wants to put some ribbon on it. I know you're supposed to put the ribbon on before the bulbs, but we wanted to get it up and see it and review it before we like invested in this tree. So again, this tree is from Michaels. It was $159.99. It's a flocked tree. It did get, I mean, I have fuzz, or the flocking, I guess, like all over. It's very dusty in here. We've both been sneezing. It's a little bit rocky, but for the price, I'm not gonna complain at all. It's a beautiful tree and the lights look really nice. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will be updating you as we continue decorating. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more holiday fun. Thank you.